look where we are. We are currently at the Fingal spit. We have some of the medals. We've got some golden and some silver ones at the Fingal spit with my dad right now. He's right over there. I'm casting over here. I'll chuck the camera back on when we hook up. We're currently hooked on! Let's get it, lads! It's a big one! He dropped it!